I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Thanks for joining us on HTSN. Hope you had a great weekend. It was certainly a hot and humid one across central Indiana. We flared up some isolated showers and thunderstorms both Saturday and Sunday on an isolated basis, and we're going to do the same today. With those showers and storms yesterday, we did not quite hit 90 degrees. Indianapolis got up to 87 degrees. It was 83 in Bloomington, also 87 for the high temperature in Peru, and 85 in Lafayette. Today, our temperatures are going to be in this same range, and once again, we will be dealing with some isolated thunderstorms heading into the afternoon hours, with tropical downpours certainly a possibility, gusty winds, and the potential for large hail. But I think our biggest concern, again, will be these tropical downpours producing some very heavy rainfall on a localized scale. We had some flash flood warnings yesterday across parts of Marion County where we had some heavy rain, and I would not be surprised if we do see some more flash flood warnings at some point today with these storms as they start to develop. Now, these storms will develop during the peak heating of the day, which is going to be in the afternoon hours. You'll start to see the clouds start to billow up higher in the sky and then eventually produce some rain. Our high temperature gets up to 87 degrees. It is still very humid, and then once the sun starts to set, which is at 9:17, the official sunset, but by 8 o'clock, I think we take most of the showers out of the forecast, and then we are just left with a very warm and muggy overnight period. But the heat and humidity, that is going to be with us throughout the entire middle half of this week. It's probably not until Thursday that a strong cold front comes through. With that cold front coming through, we'll have numerous storms. Thursday's probably the wettest day here in our extended forecast, and heading into the weekend, it's going to be drier and much less humid as well. Now, here's the severe risk for today. The slight risk from parts of Illinois all the way back into the Dakotas is in yellow, but notice from the Mississippi River eastward, the entire eastern half of the country is in the green, and that's the general risk of thunderstorms. That's because we are all in this very hot and humid air mass together. So grab the umbrellas. You head out the door throughout the day today. You won't need it all the time. It could be sunny when you walk out the door, and maybe a half hour later we'll start to flare up some additional showers and thunderstorms. It's just that kind of weather pattern we're in, and these storms could flare up really anywhere across central Indiana. But then as the sun sets, these storms come out of the forecast, and then we are just left with, again, a pretty dry overnight period. Today, high temperatures climb up into the 80s. It's warm and muggy. It'll feel like it's in the low 90s. It will be near 90 degrees Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday when that cold front comes through. The storms are a little more numerous, but then a great pattern is setting up for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with lower humidity.